Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I am Abhijit and today in this video I will tell you how to create a loss rate report in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, a loss rate report typically refers to a report that provides insights into the rate at which opportunities, leads or cases are not converted or resolved successfully, and it is used to measure the percentage of unsuccessful outcomes within a specific categories like sales opportunities that were lost or leads that were not converted. So we are going to see the process of creating a loss rate report in Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce Classic as well. So first we are going to see the process of creating a loss rate report in Salesforce Lightning. So let's move ahead and see the process. So right now I have logged into my Salesforce account, and here on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, click on this app launcher, and in the search bar search for the sales application, and under the heading apps select this sales application. So right now we are in the sales application of the org, and here click on this reports tab, and in the reports window we can see a list of reports which we have created earlier. And now to create a new loss report, click on this new report button, and in this step we have to select the category and report type for this loss report. So loss report is created with the records of opportunities. So in the category we will select opportunities, and in the report type again we have to select opportunities, and after selecting category and report type, click on this start report button which is under the details section. So here first we need to apply filter for this loss rate report, and for that click on this filters tab on this left hand sidebar, and in the show me field select all opportunities, and in the close date section select the time duration for the records you have to display in the loss rate report. So I have selected a range as a current financial year and click on this apply button, and in the opportunity status select closed opportunities because we are creating report for the opportunities that are lost and closed. After selecting closed, click on this apply button, and after applying filter click on this refresh button, and now you can see records are generated for the range we have selected. And after applying filters, go to this outline tab, and from the columns drag this closed date column to the group rows and drop it in the group rows like this. And from the columns remove the columns which are not relevant to the loss rate reports. So I've only selected the columns opportunity name, fiscal period, amount, created date and type, and you can select the columns according to your requirements for the loss rate report. And now click on this refresh button, and now we will apply the summary level formula to calculate the loss rate in this report. And before applying the summary level formula we need to save this report, otherwise the formula will not run. So to save this report, click on the save button, and in this window enter the details to save this report. So I have named the report name as opportunity loss rate, and after naming the report you click on this report unique name, so it will autofill this field, and in the folder field select the folder public reports so that this report is visible to all the users, and click on the save button. After saving the report, click on this drop down arrow of the columns section, and from the options in the drop down select add summary formula. So in the column name, enter the name for the column in which you have to show your loss rate percentage. So I have named the column name as a loss percentage, and in the formula output type select percent, and in the text area of this general section enter the formula to calculate the loss rate percentage. So this is the formula. So now I have entered the formula to calculate the loss rate percentage, and after entering the formula click on this validate button to check the formula is correct or not, and it is showing valid. So now click on this apply button and again refresh this page, and now you can see this loss percentage column is created. And to view the all records we will now save and run this report. So as we click on the save and run button, the report will be saved, and in the next window it will run displaying the loss percentage at the top of the report table. You can see this loss percentage showing 32.26 percentage is the loss percentage for this report. So this is how we create a loss rate report in Salesforce Lightning. So now we will move ahead and see the same process in Salesforce Classic. So right now we are on the home page of Salesforce Classic, and here click on this reports tab, and in the reports and dashboards window click on this new report button in order to create a loss rate report. And in this step we have to select the report type for this loss rate report. So in the column select report type, select the option opportunities and click on this create button. And in this step we have to apply filters to generate this loss rate report. And to apply filters, go to the filter section that is above the report table, and in the opportunity status field select closed, and now select the range for the records that you have to display in your loss rate report. I have selected current financial year as the range for this loss rate report. And now to add a group group row and a summary formula, we need to change the table format. And for that, click on this drop down of tabular format and select summary as a table format. Now I will drag this column close date to the group row. Now this close date column is created as a group row. And now to add a summary formula, go to the left hand sidebar and under the heading formulas, drag this add formula object to the report table and drop it on the report table. And in this window, we will define this formula. So in the column name, enter the name of the column that will display the percentage or the rate of loss. So I have named the column as loss percentage, and in the format field, select the format as a percentage. And in the text area of this summary fields, enter the formula that will calculate the loss rate for this report. So this is the formula that I have entered to calculate the loss rate for this report. And also I will mention this formula in the description of this video. So now after entering the formula, click on this OK button. And now you can see this loss percentage column is created showing the loss rate of this report. And now we will save and run this report. And to do that, click on this save button that is on the upper left side of the screen. And in the report name field, enter the name relevant to the loss rate report. So I have named the report name as opportunity loss rate. And on entering the report name, it will autofill the report unique name field. And in the report folder, select the folder unified public report so that this report is visible to all the users. And now click on this save and run report button. And now you can see report is saved and it will run in the next window. And you can see at the bottom of this report table, it is showing the loss percentage for this report. So this is how we create a loss rate report in Salesforce Classic. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.